Hence, laboratory washing bottles, consider cost-effective and easy maintain, by requiring basic cleaning, and used to dispense small amount of solvent for cleaning, and used to rinse glasswares such as flasks, and beakers, and test tubes, and used to clean electrodes probes of pH meters. On the other hand, laboratory washing bottles, not suitable for accurate volume measurement, and not recommended for highly harmful chemicals, and the flow rate depend on squeeze pressure. Finally, laboratory washing bottles, use in chemistry studies, and genetic studies, and biological studies, and biotechnology studies, and pharmaceutical studies, and other studies.